Many of you may be thinking, well, drugs don't concern me, but it does concern you. It concerns us all.
Yeah. In the kitchen rapping shit like I'm making sandwiches. Bundles. I'm selling coke, crack, dope, smack, glass, and piff. My fiend in the corner stuck looking like a mannequin. And Ig is still gonna take these shots if they abstinent. Told the fiend I'm cooking up, I'm bringing tan back. Excuse the last pack, cause it was a bad batch. Making cash, stacking the trap with saran wrap. A junkie passed out, I woke him up with a hand clap. Jay's asked for Bobby Brown, they saying new edition. Bobby junkies lying on the ground, they got some fluids missing. Last pack, knocked him on the back, they called it Sonny Liston. Left my little cousin in the trap, he fucked up some chicken. Jason, got the best shit if you basing. The fiend took a hit, son started Harlem shaking. I don't do samples, I'ma add it to your statement. All red Hellcat, same color as Satan. Cooking crack in a jar, fiends dying to taste it. Technician with the bars like I'm tightening braces. Treat the beat like my sneaks, I'm trying to lace it. I'm running through Perico, swear I'm trying to pace it. Cause if I run out of coke, fiends crying and aching, dying and shaking. So I keep some
Griselda.
So like, comment and subscribe to Motion Capital Trading. Take it from me, they got some fire shit. At first I didn't know how to trade. Now I'm trading like a fucking pro.
Just to find you, his Mac got a playlist and I ain't talking iTunes. Run up on the butcher, motherfucker, you gon' die soon. My plug hit my phone, said I'm about to send a typhoon. Lamping like a tycoon, controlling the strip. In the wholesale cheaper, but it's 40 a brick. Since a shorty, Iggas call me Brick and Morty out for glory. Vivid stories, spitting drug dealer, allegories. The butcher, bitch, Iggas acting brave just like Atlanta fans. My shotters put the metal to your chest just like a mammogram. Still in the field with the O's doing hand to hand. I let a whole brick dry off a ceiling fan. The shoes came from Italy, the coat came from Bucharest. Hair on all black like my shooter dress. And you inhale all these
Good morning, people. Yes, sir. We are back live here, trading in the markets, looking at the whole new platform. Not new, but we're circling back. Ftmo is back. Let's go. Best team on stream. I'm happy to be here. It's September 2nd, 2025. And we got a huge announcement. Ftmo is back. Back better than ever. Smoking, we're going to go through the plans. I already traded and made 1,200 on the 200K. It is just a trial. You can get a free active trial right now. You just got to sign up with the link. Let me make sure that everything is up and running. Right now we're looking at the NASDAQ, actually, so you could trade the NASDAQ. It's super smooth, just as smooth as futures, honestly. And then I'm gonna set up like my trade management system, all of that. We're gonna get everything locked and loaded, so stay tuned. Let me let me get stuff prepared. I hope everybody had a great holiday weekend as well. I'm not sure if there's any news or anything right now. I'm not too worried about that. But let's see. I'm setting up something right now. Let me pull up the plans. So there's a $100 plan all the way to a $1,200 plan. This setup looks pretty decent right now for a buy coming up. I'm just waiting for it to pull back. I'm gonna pull up the plans right now. I'm just gonna go on ftmo.com and show you what we're smoking with. It's looking pretty decent. So FTMO been around for 10 years. I think it's one of the longest prop firms right now. You click on the site, it says continue to the United States. Yes, we are back trading with FTMO in the US. So hold on, I'm actually let's see. So if you click on free trial, you're able to make a free account like what I just got. How it works, it says two-step process. You have to trade the account, make 10% on whatever account size that you have, and once you make your 10%, then you go into the verification phase and you got to make 5%, which it gets easier. So just to go over some of the plans, and then they give you the so you get the 10%, the 2%, the 5%, and then you trade it for 14 days. It becomes a job, and you get to progress to a premium program where you're a top performer, and you get coaching sessions. It becomes a real big deal, like you're in a firm. Excuse me. But these are the plans I'm going to go over right now. I just want to bounce this banner that I'm making for you guys here. Hold on one second. Don't want to lose track. Hope everybody's well, waiting for more people to actually come in. I actually do have to make an announcement as well in the Discord about these scammers that are trying to come into the Discord and pose as me. I'll never DM you guys directly. You can only get access to us at motioncapital.com. Just make sure you know that and you recognize that. Okay. Let's go. So I got all the plans up and running, smoking in front of you guys right now. NASDAQ is on the charts. I'm on the 3-minute chart, to be honest. Just closing out this banner right here. So which account are you guys going to start? I'm aiming to start with the 50Ks. They got the 10K here for $100. That's a good start. I'm not too excited about $500 drawdown per day. It's kind of tight, but pretty excited about it. And I'm actually running the live data right now. The data is live that you're seeing. This is the actual chart right here. You can see the spread. The spread is incredible. I put in the maximum amount of lots as well on the 200K account, and I was able to put a 60 lot. And this is, I think it's a swing account. So I was able to do that. And with the amount of stop loss that I used on the trade, it was like a $5,000 stop loss. Obviously, I wouldn't do that on my live, but I was just testing out the platform. And yeah, as you can see, the accounts, they range from about $100 to $1,200, 25, yeah, $1,250. So 2 of these would run you about $2,500, and you'll get like 40 grand of leverage to trade with. Absolutely incredible. I'm extremely excited to have FTMO back in full effect in the United States, and we're going to be trading on MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. Try to say that fast 10 times. MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. So yeah, please comment and let me know what account size you guys are gonna go with. I'm gonna try to go for the 50Ks initially, and then I'm gonna size up. YouTube thumbnail trading. Let's see. I hate this keyboard because I keep making typos on it. I don't know if my fingers are too big or let's see. YouTube trading. This looks like we're gonna get a setup here. I was looking at the hourly as well. We're gonna do a bit of analysis. Just don't mind me. But everything is looking lovely on MT5. It's looking like buyers are stepping in right now too. Beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So we got a fair value gap right here that got filled. So right here, I'm gonna start buying. So easily I could put right here. I'm gonna put like a 20 lot. I'm gonna put like a 25 lot right here. Fuck it. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna put my stop loss here. And as you can see, I could drag my stop loss here. And then, oops. Let's see. Okay, so I gotta widen my stop loss a bit. And you could see how much you're risking too. Like when you drag it like this, you can see this is a $2,500 risk. That's not too bad on a challenge like this because in order for me to blow this account, I would have to lose like 10 times or less, like 7 times. So let's see. Let's see. Just give me one moment. I'm trying to set something up here. YouTube should get filled on this. YouTube thumbnail. I'm updating my thumbnail, guys. I appreciate the patience because we're really gonna dive in. I'm super excited. I'm just a little tired. Um, and I'm like literally like, what is going on here? Let's see. Create. Once the trade gets triggered, I'm gonna be more active, but I'm just setting something up. Excuse me. One moment. Let me clear my throat. We're gonna turn up. I was playing that seems like we're gonna get filled soon. All right, so all right, let's see. What should I name this? Let's see. I'll just call this, let's see. Waiting for an entry right now. Sorry, guys. Bear with me. I'm actually going to warm up my coffee real quick. If you give me a second, once we get filled, we're going to dive deep into some strategies. And I'm here to stay, guys. We're going to be streaming. We're back. We're back. Let me play some of these hits. Let's go.
Many of you may be thinking, well, drugs don't concern me, but it does concern you. It concerns us all.
So like, comment and subscribe to Motion Capital Trading. Take it from me, they got some fire shit. At first I didn't know how to trade. Now I'm trading like a fucking pro.
Like I'm making sandwiches. Bundles. I'm selling coke, crack, dope, smack, glass, and piff. My fiend in the corner stuck looking like a mannequin. And Ig is still gonna take these shots if they abstinent. Told a fiend I'm cooking up, I'm bringing tan back. Excuse the last pack, cause it was a bad batch. Making cash, stacking the trap with saran wrap. A junkie passed out, I woke him up with a hand clap. Jay's asked for Bobby Brown, they saying new edition. Junkies lying on the ground, they got some fluids missing. Last pack, knocked him on the back, they called it Sonny Liston. Left my little cousin in the trap, he fucked up some chicken. Jason, got the best shit if you basing. A fiend took a hit, son started Harlem shaking. I don't do samples, I'ma add it to your statement. All red Hellcat, same color as Satan. Cooking crack in a jar, fiends dying to taste it. Technician with the bars like I'm tightening braces. Treat the beat like my sneaks, I'm trying to lace it. I'm running through Perico, swear I'm trying to pace it. Cause if I run out of coke, fiends crying and aching, dying and shaking.
Yeah, so Ftmo is back. Ftmo is back.
Doing haikus, my shooter got a beacon on the strap just to find you. His Mac got a playlist and I ain't talking iTunes. Run up on the butcher, motherfucker, you gon' die soon. My plug hit my phone, said I'm about to send a typhoon. Lamping like a tycoon, controlling the strip. And the wholesale cheaper, but it's 40 a brick. Since a shorty Iggas call me Brick and Morty.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. I had to freshen myself up. We are back here live in the markets. Let me dive straight into what we were catching up on. So FTMO is back. We are looking for a position here on NASDAQ. We're about to get triggered. But they have a 200K account all the way ranging to the 10K account. $100 for the 10K and 200K is $1,200. You get the challenge fee back once you pass the account, so it's actually free. So that's that. I'm going to log in to my account. This is a merger with FTMO and Oanda. Oanda is one of the biggest Forex brokers in America and in the world, actually. And the last time I've been trading with the last time I traded with a account with FTMO, I was getting payouts. I can show you my certificates. I got about 25K in payouts with FTMO. I hit max allocation, and I'm gonna show you just all of my certificates. Let's see. I guess on the other one, you could have saw my certificates. Let's see. That's weird. I guess they're starting a new certificate system because this is a new merger. So I guess you can't see any of my old stuff. There's no leaderboard yet or anything, right? So yeah, I guess they're gonna start over. This is the leaderboard. You could go on and you can see who's the most profitable. I guess you can't see none of that yet, but hey, I'm in, and we're about to enter this trade. What I like about Forex is that you can risk exactly how much you want to risk. So I'm gonna like download some of my trading tools, and I'm gonna do that either today And tomorrow, right now, I'm trying to just set up a lot of things on my end and make sure that everybody's up to speed. But we'll get into the trading now. The rules are pretty straightforward on this website. You gotta make 10%, 5%, and then you get the account. 10 o'clock hour just hit. Seems like there's a bit of some news or something. We're flying here. We might move this position up if we can, if that's gonna close up there. But I don't want to chase this trend. I was buying here. Seems like we got stopped to break even right here. Made 1200 bucks for the day already. So let's see. Let me see. Okay. Might get a candle closure here soon. If we do, then we're gonna enter at about these 250s here. There we go. So, setting up my thumbnail so everybody knows that we're trading with Ftmo again. And then I'll be fully interactive with you guys. You guys got me. Put my brand on here and we're good to go. I'm gonna do nothing crazy. Let's see. Yeah, you guys got to be careful with this area. It's going to probably, my entry is not even going to hold up. It's not even going to hold up. It's going to break this area. I'm going to enter down here instead. I'm just going to get a bounce here and get out if I can. If not, then we'll lose. But it's really trying to shake us out here, I could tell. Really trying to shake us out of here. I'm done with my thumbnail now, by the way, so. About to put this on my joint real quick. Or maybe I should delete this one here. But yeah, you could use this platform on your phone too, which is dope. You could use bots on Ftmo, and with Ftmo, you don't have to worry about news. You don't have to worry about shit. You can hold over the weekend as well. You can use bots. There's a lot of good shit that we're gonna get into. I'm gonna drop an official video. This is just a live, but I'm gonna get into like the rules and everything. But there's basically no rules other than you can't lose more than 5%, and you could trade news, you could use bots, you could hold over the weekend, you could hold overnight. It's basically like 24/5. Yeah, so I'm done with my thumbnail for now. I'll make a better one, but I'll use that one for now, and then we'll start the show. Did the Jada joint finish already? Again? Shit was fire, right? Jada shit was fire, man. That Jada shit was fire, cuz. Jada shit was fire. They got Nas too. Let's play some Nas. About to get triggered on this trade. Yes, sir. Shout out to C Block for tapping in. I appreciate it. Yeah, we got some big news. Ftmo is back. This is the #1 prop firm in the world. You could trade news. You could trade on your phone. You could do all that fly shit. All that fly shit. No trailing drawdown. No none of that bullshit. You could risk manage properly. You could trade different assets. We're gonna get into different assets. Now that I'm set up, we're gonna be lit. I apologize that my stream is always like this, where I'm always setting something up. But now that I'm set up, oh, my account is private. Here we go. I'm gonna make my account private right now. Let's see. About to get triggered, and then I got your full attention. All right. So we're about to be making some buku money this year with this prop firm here. We're gonna be making some crazy bread with this. Alright, I just uploaded the thumbnail. Yeah, so we could trade news, we could trade overnight, you could trade over the weekend. Not over the weekend, but you can hold your trades. There's no trailing drawdown, right? You could use bots, you could use all that fly shit. And the only thing is you gotta trade for 2 weeks. So I will be trading futures a little bit still, just to get those quicker payouts, I guess. But I don't really want to go down that rabbit hole if I got a more quality account. So it's like, I think this is where I'm going to put my focus on for the rest of the year. There was funding ticks, but this blows funding ticks out of the water, like completely. They would have to make a big change. But yeah, Owanda is the one of the bigger brokers. And you got my full attention now. Let me share my thumbnail and everything to the group. And we're back smoking. Hopefully we get more viewers here this time around. I think we will, because before you know it, my whole goal for the end of the year is to be funded 200K. So I'm gonna make that my goal. I'm gonna write it on my wall, and I'm gonna get funded 200K this year with Ftmo at least. I want to max out to 400K by the end of the year. Let's just put it like that. Let's just put it like that. And I think that we can as a community. I'm gonna be going live with the team. I'm gonna be showing you guys my entries. We're gonna be doing this. There's a lot to be set up. I'm just setting everything up right now, so the streams are going to be more interactive. I apologize. Every time you guys come on, I'm just like setting up something or doing something. But I'm super excited because this firm completely, when it shut down, it put me on a hiatus. I was getting payouts. I'm actually going to sign into the old account. I don't want to get straight away from this entry, but I'm gonna sign into the old account to show you guys what I'm talking about here. How I was getting payouts. It wasn't, anything crazy compared to anyone else, but I was super excited about it. But I guess you can see it a little bit here. Yeah, you can see it a little bit here. That these were my payouts, some of my payouts here, some of my bigger payouts. We had a $14,000 payout on this one. We had a $6,000 payout. So in July 2023, I got $20,000 that month. Then in August, I got $1,600, and then they shut down. I fumbled the bag on this payout. I was up, I think. Let me see the metrics. I think this was a painful loss. Nah, this one looks like I completely didn't pass. This one was 25K, and this just goes to show that you could make anything pop. I made $7,000 payout on this one. And this shows you all the trades I took with. I was trading US 30 at the time as well, and I'll be going back to that. Yeah, we started off at 25K, and then we got it to 32,600 in a month, in less than a month or so. Let's see. I had one bad day, but yeah, I don't really know how to navigate the site anymore as much because they changed a lot of shit, but I don't really like how this, I guess because, oh yeah, I gotta zoom out because it's all scrunched up. So I started off the account pretty hot, and it just, I completely just knocked it out the park towards the end. Made $7,000 on a $2,500 account. So that just goes to show that a lot of things are possible here. And then I kind of did the same. I made about $5,000 the month before. I was number one on the 25Ks. And then when I got hot with the 25Ks, I started buying the 100Ks. And I got a couple payouts with the 100Ks. Some of them are not visible because I've blown them. But if I unvisible a lot of my shit, you can see like the ones that I actually passed. But yeah, this 100K I passed right here. With the 100K, the 100Ks was pretty decent. Like I got $20,000 with the 100Ks. Don't sleep on the 100Ks. 200Ks I was getting a little spicy with, and I like the bigger the number, I kind of like froze. But yeah, it's a free account if you could pass it. Once you pass it, you get your money back. Then you start trading for 2 weeks. It becomes a job. But yeah, this is the platform. This is This is how it looks. This is MT4. It's pretty clean. You could go super far back. That's what I like about it. You could go on the weekly, the daily. You can zoom in and zoom out. This one, I kind of have my settings where you can't really go back right now. Let me see. If I press that, you could kind of go back. Okay. You can kind of go back. Okay. Can't go back that far. I see. Some of the assets are here. You could trade different assets. So we got hold on, let me just send this link to Discord. I'm just gonna press enter real quick. Yeah, so and let me send this to Facebook and see. I'm probably gonna change this thumbnail, but I just created it with AI real quick. Pretty funny. Well, about to get triggered in this trade, so let me go back to the 3-minute. And what I like about it is that you could go to the 3-minute on this platform too, MT5. I'm more used to MT4, but MT5 is the same shit. It's just an upgraded version. I'm not used to it yet. But it's pretty simple to use, pretty easy. But I was super excited when I first heard about it, and then now I'm just like, yeah, this is it. Like, almost got triggered here. The spread looks actually decent. You can go down to the 1 minute. You can see that there's literally no spread. Literally no freaking spread. No freaking spread. They're trying to fake us out too. They're trying to make you buy right here. Actually, I'm gonna sell 60. I'm gonna sell the max right here. This is a high probability short for me. Come on. Let me cancel this. Cancel this. Yeah. It's a fake out. We'll risk this 2 grand right here. And then I'm gonna see if we could come down here. Yeah, it's not gonna break past this area right here. I hope. It came so close to this entry too, like right here. This gotta come back here. My opinion. I got a bad entry, but hopefully we could sell off. It's coming back to my entry now. What I like about MT5 too is that when I press the sell or buy button, it averages the trade in. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna click it one more time. I'm gonna max out on the contracts. It's not contracts. It's called position size. So I think I'm in the max position size right now. I'm doing that on purpose just to test it. You know, it might lose, but fuck it. I already made what? Almost 2 grand already. Or 1,500. Let's see. Give it some wiggle room right now. We'll post on LinkedIn too.
When the war's on, stuck at the crossroads, bitches buying body parts with barcodes. Days full of hope, nights full of sorrow, hoping that day might be tomorrow. It's coming, sun is coming. I know it's coming, y'all. Know it's gonna come soon. I know it's coming soon. Until then, I'ma do.
All right. Let's see.
I'm waiting on my day, and I know it's coming through.
Says verify using clear. Nah, I ain't verifying shit. Fuck that. Oh, it's coming up. Might stop us out. Ooh, look how volatile. Look how volatile. Look how volatile. Ugh. 2% risk. It ain't gonna break this wick for sure. But hey, broke that. So it should come back. Let us see. Still early, 10:20 Eastern Standard Time.
Different time zone, the revolution won't be on your iPhone. Many suitors wanna unthrone, they study how I construct.
Let's go. See some weakness here. So I'm gonna feed on that. Feed on the blood. Let's feed on the bloodsuckers. Some drawdown right now. Let us close this. You could look at the hourly. It's definitely bullish for sure. Just missed my entry by a tick, so I felt like it should have went down, but I was buying from down here, and we should come back to this entry now. I don't think we're gonna hit this area. I doubt it. Nobody fucking knows, dude. Come on. All right, so let's get into the list here. We got some other assets that we could look at today as well. Let's see. Let's see. We got NASDAQ crushing these longs here. I think it's gonna come down to grab liquidity. If this is this high right here, this wick was a nasty fucking candle. It's not. You could have got a nice buy here too, no doubt. But I think the real buy is down here, so I was shorted. But who knows? This is a counter trend trade. Let's see. This is where I should have entered. Let's put on the hourly chart too. Let's see if we could get that popping. I don't know how to pull that up. Let's see. Okay, so we got another chart up. This is the hourly, so I'm going to put the hourly. Neck and neck, we had to tap into some resistance for the hourly here to come down, and that's exactly what we did. That's why I shorted. So we are going to see if we could come down. But like I said, Ftmo is back. We're back smoking on the Forex market. I am still trading indices on here right now, but we will get into the futures market. Coming down pretty hot with the NASDAQ trading at the 23,200s on the CFD symbol. We're coming back down. Holy moly. In profit now. Let me see how much we're in profit. Let me show you the power of this account if you just know what direction the market is going. Let's see. Toolbox here. Is it toolbox? Yeah, I got toolbox here. We're floating 1500 already. Look at that. Smoking hot. Baby. Make sure you tap in with make sure you tap in with motioncapitaltrading.com because we know what the fuck we're doing. Check us out. Floating about $2,000 right now. You shitting me? Play some hot. Play some hot shit on AI right here. Let's play some hot AI shit. Could have took profit right there, but I'm gonna hold out until it breaks this area, come down. That's what I really wanted to do, or at least touch this red line. That's what I really wanted to do. I'm gonna show you how to take some off. I'm gonna take like, let's see, take like 40 off. Tap in with us, man. We know what the fuck we doing. Check it. Telling you, we know what the fuck we doing right here, cuz. I at least got to get a 1-to-1. This is about a 30-point target, 40-point stop loss. So I got to at least, I'm taking profit at least 80 points. I'm taking profit down here. Because this whole shit is going to break. It's going to come down. That's my idea of it. So I'm going to actually warm up my coffee and be right back. For real. I think I explained enough, but I'm kind of tired because I've been up since like early this morning. I'm going to catch it fresh. Be right back. Don't go nowhere. The best team on stream. The best show on the net. Big profits coming soon. I see us making a quick 100K by the end of the year. Let's go. We're going to start off small though. Let's go. Best team on stream. Be right back.
A smoker broke into the spot and got stuck in the vent. In the off-white drop, same color as spit. My junkies need badges, how they ready to cop. Selling straight drops like I'm running a lot. I know a smoker, swear to God, he could've went pro, cause he be picking up dimes when he handled a rock. Mask on at the countertop, chopping raw. I even sold a little rock down in Arkansas. You can come pick it up, it's more if I drop it off. And my coke dime still be the size of cotton balls. City can't stop it, they trying to get the courts involved. Niggas walking out this bitch with bags like a shopping mall. My fiend went broke, started crushing up Tylenols. Stay on the block like when my bitch tried to call.
You better call me back. I'm serious this time. Kiss. Call me back.
Jada studied the game and learned from the legends. So when I hit the stage, they amazed from my presence. All this cocaine got me feeling copacetic. I stopped selling work, fiends fall into depression. Got big birds, I ain't talking Sesame Street. And if I fuck up the mix, I'ma sell it for cheap. I ain't talking Dubai when I chill with the sheep. And you know the Kish rich off of Dylan Parikh. I got black tar, soft white and hard tan. And I got the green holding trees like I'm Tarzan. My fiend OD, I revived him with some Narcan. Sent him to the doctor, they said he need a heart scan. When I pull up with the mini Mac, I ain't talking iPads. Kiss go to war, then I'm dying with my comrades. If I hit China, then I'm trapping with the triads. I could get the weight off like I had a gastric bypass. Bitch. shit look easy. I could really make it snow, man, young Jeezy. I could lay you flat for the bread like paninis. Kiss got some shells for you, I ain't talking tortellinis. My chain looking 3D, the watch is blinding. With the plug in the mountains going horseback riding. Last Igga tried it, fed him to the fishes. LOX popping out like a genie with some wishes. Run up on the locks, that's a way to die quick. Wasn't thinking with his top, so the Glock left him chestless. J to the walk, kill him with the chef's kiss. On my worst day, still iller than your best shit. Life is called daily from the box to request this. My bars be the shit like I wrote them in a septic. Smoking fat dimes, got my fiends anorexic. Pumping straight diesel, got bags of unleaded. I keep my feelings deep inside, you can't see the pain. I can help them get high, but don't need a plane. Smokers pulling up for the green like an Eagle game. My fiend ain't crippled, but he swear that he need the cane. Live a fast life, I'm in the speeder's lane. I got bass, I ain't talking when my speakers bang. My girl said I need to change, but I had to tell her, fuck that shit, bitch, I need to change. So I got them doing rails like they on the train, switching lanes in the pure cocaine stain colored range. I'm just hustling, trying to maintain, but if they want beef, it's on site like a domain. Need is cold water and a hot stove, and I could put crack in these streets like a pothole. Rain, sleet, snow, yo, the shop it is not closed. And if I hit Cali, then I'm trapping with the Vatos. It's all about balance, I'm walking on a tightrope. I ain't saying what's up when I scream why yo. A smoker said kiss, I live for the fix, so I don't give a fuck if I gotta die broke. That shit stuck with me right in my soul. Then he did a few lines like he was writing a song. I seen a crackhead lose his pipe, so he had to take out the hard white and put it right in the bong.
And I still be the one you should call. You just got to call. And I still be the one you should call. You just got
Oh, I was talking to myself. Shit, my bad. I think I got this all wrong. Yeah, let me fix this so you can see how much we floating right now. $3 grand. I'm gonna go make my coffee now. Holla at your boy. It's the power of Forex. Biggest account right here. Floating 2,500. I'm gonna change this from today's P&L to floating P&L. Up $4 grand already. Look at that. On the account, I'm up 500 for the day. Best team on stream. That's how we do it. I'm gonna warm up my coffee. I'm gonna go warm up my coffee, man. Thought I told you guys.
So like, comment and subscribe to Motion Capital Trading. Take it from me, they got some fire shit. At first, I didn't know how to trade.
Best team on
Now
fucking
I'm trading
stream.
like a
Let's
fucking
go.
pro.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Stop playing with us, bro. Stop playing with us. We floating 5 bands. Stop fucking playing with us, go. Yeah. It's gonna fucking melt. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I fucking thought. Feels so good. Feels so freaking good. Let's see what other songs my only problem is what other songs am I gonna play on my playlist right here. Let's see. Let's try this.
Today,
Be
I
right
don't intend to
back.
go on talking about the economy.
Phone 5
I have a
bands. Let's
special
go.
guest. Nancy is here with me, and she'd like to speak to you about the problem of drugs and what together all of us can do about the problem.
Thank you, Ronnie.
I'm flooding the city, they gon' have to call FEMA. Crack so hard, gotta cut it with a cleaver. 34 brick, 154 feature. If they really want war, then I'm coming with the Reaper. Got the game in the choke, like I put it in a sleeper. Got a diva, put rocks on the boat, like a Leah in the black and gold ghost. Same color as a cheetah. I got drink by the liter, I got coke by the meter. Have it your way, kids still slanging whoppers. Jada rap to you, but they still sing operas. Shooters running around with them switchblade choppers. Bullets levitate you and they will raise chakras. If you mix flour in the pies, then your cake rise. My smoker named Lil B, he the real base guard. Mansion with a boat, we gon' have a toast lakeside. And I still serve you 9 O's for the 8-5.
Bet everything you know, Benny strapped like a waistline. They break down my dough, I'm putting caps in the K9s. Benny in the trap like Jordan on the baseline. Serving anybody you send Igga is game time. Benny got the hot hand. St. John's to Thailand, fiends come to cop grams and smoke it out of pop can. My junkie way too high, he gon' die, he will not land. 4.5 of this 10 for the 5 grand. 36 zips of this flake for the 2.8. Wanna double up on the weight, give me 5 tray. I could throw you 4, but it's more for the layaway. Keep it on the lower, you don't wanna catch a cell case. Sitting with your cellmate, eating jail cakes. Walking around the yard looking hard, lifting weights. Your plug out of state, mine's out of the country. And if it's a war on drugs, it's about to get ugly.
Griselda.
extra pie. I can make it rain now and had a drug storming. So when I come through your town, it's a flood warning. Michael Jordan with the rock, I'm in the hood scoring. And if I stop selling blocks, then the hood mourning. FBI director wanna stick me with a drug warrant. Cause my dope coming back like good karma. When it's all done with the greats, they'll call my name. Whip so much cane that my stove in the Hall of Fame. I can get you high as the sky, that's without a crane. And if you don't cop from the guys, then it's not the same. And all these junkies outside, I'm to blame. If they need assistance, then Benny help them find a vein. I had to find a lane, now I'm going full speed. The butcher really pushing white balls like a pool league. Wanna get 3 zips of raw, give me 2 G's. Straight uncut, cause my life's like a movie. Die.
Sit your ass down like some bad news. And when shit get hot, you know that I just act cool. All night long, fiends coming to the shop, sitting down, putting needles in their skin like some tattoos. Soon as the kiss get them in, then they van moves. Green AMG type bins, color bamboo. Kiss make it double when it bubble like some shampoo. When coke come in, still the same scale as Shamu. Life is a gamble, I'm betting the house. And if his daddy is a rat, then his son is a mouse. If you run up in my trap, it's a must that we joust. Get some shots from the tap like I'm pouring a stout. Ignoring the clout, stay low key, just vibing. Staying in alignment, it's all about timing. Fiends giving paper like they turning in assignments. Cause my crack vapors really be hypnotizing. Meet me at the plaza, I still got jobs for 'em. And it's I domestic, but the pie's foreign. Soft white butter, nigga, I ain't talking popcorn. Been in the game, flipping cane, showing top form.
War on drugs. Who's the real enemy? Some say the dealers, pushers, and cartels. Some say our own government. Tonight, we take a deep dive and go undercover with the Drug Enforcement Agency as they investigate 2 of the country's top kingpins.
Hey, yeah, feds on my ass. My lawyer saying lay low. Cause I've been on the Ave with the weights though. And if you run off with the pack for it's paid for. That Igga getting sprayed like some fake dro. I could whip the flakes slow for the queso. It had a place froze looking like a great snow. I got some soldiers, boy, they coming with the Draco. When we go to war, they'll lift you like a gate code. When it come to these blocks, I'm connected like a Lego. My bitch hold a boy in the stomach like she prego. 1-800-KISS for the bricks. Igga, hello. First to the 5th, trap bouncing like jello. You could get shot from the barrel with a metal. And I'm good on the block like Mello from the elbow. Just trying to sell more, increase my chips. Wrote a letter to the judge, told him eat a dick. Yeah.
Told the sheriff to his face that he really a prick. Sold a quoted chick for 8, but it really was 6. If you can't move the weight, give Benny the bricks. Cause when it come to the rock, I get plenty assists. Turn a block to a flock just from bending my wrist. And if it's too hot to cop, then I'm sending my bitch. My plug said, Benny, you gotta know magic, cause you make them disappear like they didn't exist. If you thinking I'm the type to give up my chips, bring the metal to your house like I'm building a fence. Whipping a 6, flying to a secret location. Only do business with you if you know Jason. Trying to stop the war on drugs, keep waiting. Cause the fiends love my jumps.
Floating 10 bands right now. About to close a lot of the trade. 11 bands almost. Live. Let's see how much. Oh, only closed 5. So I'm gonna do some more. I'm gonna close 40. So I just closed most of the trade. Put my stop loss to break even. I'm still floating like 3 bands, and I kind of feel like I should close most of it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna close. I'm gonna close 12. Yeah, so I'm comfortable with that. I made about 5,800 locked in, 6 grand. First day, this could have been my live, this could have been my challenge, this could have been anything. I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, that's kind of how I trade on Ftmo. First day, biggest account.
And I'm selling shit like eBay. I'ma move a brick every week on the freeway. And life is a bitch, but fuck what she say. The verb spit a verse killer. I ain't saying fuck you when I say I was a bird flipper. I could send a hitman, no herms, Igga in the flow so retarded, thought I had a Sherm dealer. And if they ever put they mitts on my bread, I'ma turn all they lights out like when you get into bed. Think Kiss ain't the best and they sick in the head. And the brand new Lex came cinnamon red. Jada gon' bless you with these scriptures like the Reverend. When I say I got that white bitch, I ain't talking Karens. I whipped the brick up around 6 o'clock. So how the fuck the whole thing was going around 7? I guess that's cause my shit be really addictive. And if I'm being frank, y'all really some bitches. If he died right now, nobody will miss him. And don't play with the Kiss, they can play in position. Where my motherfucking dogs on my ex shit. Now his neck split, the razor made a necklace. I might push the Benz or hop in the Lexus. Either way I'm blowing haze, bumping LOX shit. Or B.I.G. life after death shit. I never told the priest none of my confessions. The Smith & Wesson, it can lift you up to heaven. The snub nose, it can send you down to hell. Either way, you can choose, either's cool with me. The Panero laid back, I just shoot the breeze. Blowing piff out the coupe where the roof would be. Short, rich gangster, Igga like Eazy-E. Ghosts popping up, giving nightmares when you dream. And my bars go hard like Igga's fighting in the Bing. Respect my black queens, but usually I'm rude. Can't play the game for you, but can show you the rules. Still walk around like I got something to prove. If you ask the ghosts, I'm probably top 2. And they celebrating Yonkers every time I pop through.
Yeah, just like that, 6,000 in a day. I'm not gonna say that I would risk the same amount on my live, but this is the possibility. I risked the maximum amount that I could, So I would say realistically, if I made, let's say 1/3 of this, which was 2 grand in a day, I'll be happy with that. So that's the possibility. I'm still floating 500, but my discretion with this trading shit is it's kind of on point right now, where I can see what the market is gonna do, man. Not gonna say that I won't get stopped out sometimes or get in a little early, but man, I'm just super excited for FTMO. Can't stress it enough, but I'm gonna keep the stream up, and I'm gonna end it actually soon. So I want to thank you guys for tapping in. This was just an introduction to FTMO. I'm still floating 500. I'm gonna keep it up for quite a bit. This is some fire tunes, so I'll just end it with the tunes and see how far we're gonna take the stream, and then once this ends, we'll end the stream too. Let's go.
Running in the field like we coaching a team. All I got for is hope and some dreams, and I can get you hemmed up like a sewing machine. And the results came back, y'all, cause my sons got a terror squad with guns bigger than pun. Think the LOX sweet, then you gotta be dumb. Put the metal to your mouth like I'm piercing your tongue. And it's crazy how they copy the style. I ain't talking about no dogs when I pop up and show you the pound. Feel the presence of the ghost, he be floating around. And J to the Moi still flooding your town. You feel my presence in the room, that's why they call me the ghost. I don't really fuck with niggas, they be doing the most. LOX name gon' ring to the west coast. From the dirty south back to the YO. I could teach you about life, maybe show you the ropes. I got power and respect, now show me the money. P hopping out the lamb, double R on the rugby. When it comes to Panero, no comparing the dudes. Unless you talking about Kiss, Big Pac or Luch. And I still blow haze off a project roof. And I still keep a hawk tucked right in my boots. I could tell you I'm the truth, then show you the proof. Never been religious, but I could send you to God. I'm the past and the present like I'm bending in time. Black power in my veins, green dollars on my mind. Getting through the hard days for the good times. I could be in Supermax, still rocking my shines. A coward dies 1,000 deaths, I plan to die once. And I still wake up, putting haze in the Dutch. And I still give you the shells like I took you to lunch. I thank God for the skills, cause I'm really the one.
One lick a shot for the black pump pump. Bad man rude boy clout them with the dum dums. To enough top shotters shooting these guns. LOX generals paper come. Nobody eating if sheep not getting a portion. I just act like his friend, it's really extortion. They pay up cause they know I'll be dealing with torture. I like to see the look on their face when they dying. When his family seen the body, his mother start crying. Y'all niggas pussy like Lucius Lion. Got a crime empire, selling bricks in Montego. When I pull up with my amigos, hasta luego. Fuck a potato on the pipe, I wanna hear the gun blast. He thought he was the shit, now he stuck with a shit bag. You wanna be a player, Sheik, pull you out the jag. I ain't read no fucking story when I'm pulling out the mag. D-block on the flag, LOX Confederation. Sheik Luch, the motherfucking Ghost and Jason. In the old Eldorado, fuck a fancy car. If they lock Sheik up, I'm stabbing the guards. Start a riot right on the yard, we going to war.
Yeah. The bars or the white, I'm selling
Sway, you don't have the answers, Sway. Motion Capital Trading got the answers. If you're not subscribed, you're bugging the fuck out. They got the best trading shit on YouTube, hands down. Who else got better shit? Nobody, Sway, nobody.
The bars or the white, I'm selling them cracked. And if he asks what's the price, I'ma tell him the max. If I yell D-block, killers go on attack. And the money gon' come like snow in the rack. If the kiss come front him a pack and he run off, he under white sheets like he taking a nap. Just know Jada been the shit like he taking a crap. Last time I cooked the brick, it was a hell of a batch. It's the LOX gangsters wanna be round us, and if homie want beef, he get ground up. He a bitch in real life, shorty, he not tough, and Kiss control the birds like Elon Musk. Sheik Luke said these niggas sweet like plums, and the ghost had you lying in the street like bums. Shout out to YO, I'm reppin' for the home team. Got this LOX shit pumping through my bloodstream. New foreign thing, same color as Chex Mix. It's not a mixtape when I say I got that piff.
Fear is definitely not a factor for motion capital trading. They have nuts of steel. They place orders for like thousands a day. Oh yeah, trust me, if you haven't seen them yet, go on YouTube and watch their shit. They're incredible. I absolutely recommend them. Best traders on YouTube, hands down.
Got the product when the drought hit. Turn a half bird to a Benz with the water whip. Stove top bubbling in the kitchen, chopping shit. Doing karate on the bricks with no motherfucking chopstick. Fiends at the front door knocking like the rent due. If he try to rob the spot, then he pit food. Calio legend in the project selling chicken.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to be here with you today. I've had the privilege of playing many iconic roles, but above all, I am a storyteller. And today, I want to tell you a story about how motion capital trading helped me. Flip my fucking account. One day I was scrolling on YouTube, right, and I was looking up ways of how to trade. I watched Mario Mogumov's trade live. Man, that dude is a fucking scientist. Keep marking that shit up.
I could bring the drench in the drought, I'm a top factor. I'ma put these bricks in his house like a contract. The fiend showing up for these lines, but they not actors. When I say I'm having white squares, they are not crackers. We all got our time, but the 9 help you die faster. Kiss stay grounded, but the coupe, it might fly past you. When it gets shot, call the locks, we can direct you. Fiends picking up scripts, Jada play the director. And I specialize in coca leaves and poppy seeds. So when I see poppy, I cop white and mahogany. Money, power, respect, nothing less, that's the policy. Fiends spend their checks cause I got the best quality.
You're the best to ever do it, yeah. The best to ever do it. Oh, oh, oh. You're the best to ever do it, yeah. The best to ever do it. Oh, oh, oh.
Motion capital trading, you really know how to move with the market. You got that fire shit, I tell you. Best stream on YouTube. Like, come and subscribe now or you'll regret it.
Yo, I gave the game life with these bars of death. Most of fiends come at night, so it's hard to rest. If you step on the white, you get more for less. And my junkies keep needles like they sewing a dress. Probably should jump off a cliff for you fuck with the kiss. I put niggas down on the block like they running a sprint. A smoker broke into the spot and got stuck in the vent. In the off-white drop, same color as spit. My junkies need badges, how they ready to cop. Selling straight drops like I'm running a lot. I know a smoker, swear to God, he could've went pro, cause he be picking up dimes when he handles a rock. Mask on at the countertop, chopping raw. I even sold a little rock down in Arkansas. You can come pick it up, it's more if I drop it off. And my coke dime still be the size of cotton balls. City can't stop it, they trying to get the courts involved. Niggas walking out this bitch with bags like a shopping mall. My fiend went broke, started crushing up Tylenols. Stay on the block like when my bitch tried to call.
You can't keep getting away with it! You can't keep getting away with it!
Call me back. I'm serious this time. Kiss. Call me back. Call me back.
Jada studied the game and learned from the legends. So when I hit the stage, they amazed from my presence. All this cocaine got me feeling copacetic. I stopped selling work, fiends falling. The game and learn from the legends. So when I hit the stage, they amazed from my presence. All this cocaine got me feeling copacetic. I stopped selling work, fiends fall into depression. Got big birds, I ain't talking Sesame Street. And if I fuck up the mix, I'ma sell it for cheap. I ain't talking Dubai when I chill with the sheep. And you know the Kish rich off of Dylan Parikh. I got black top.
I'm serious this time. Kiss. Call me back. Call me back.
Jada studied the game and learned from the legends. So when I hit the stage, they amazed from my presence. All this cocaine got me feeling copacetic. I stopped selling work, fiends fall into depression. Got big birds, I ain't talking Sesame Street. And if I fuck up the mix,
started from
I'ma
the
sell
bottom.
it for cheap.
Now I'm living my dream. Trading
Dubai
every
when I
day
chill
with
the
Motion
sheep.
Capital
And
Trading.
you know the
These guys
Kish
don't
rich
play.
off of Dylan
Like,
Parikh.
comment,
I got
and
black tar,
subscribe.
soft, white,
You
and
will
hard tan.
not
And
regret
I
it.
got the green holding trees like I'm Tarzan. My fiend OD, I revived him with some Narcan. Sent him to the doctor, they said he need a heart scan. When I pull up with the mini Mac, I ain't talking iPads. Kiss go to war, then I'm dying with my comrades. If I hit China, then I'm trapping with the triads. I could get the weight off like I had a gastric bypass, bitch.
From China to the USA, Motion Capital Trading is just crushing it, completely crushing it every day on stream, grabbing the markets right by the pussy.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the wave. We're back, Ftmo. I'm feeling it.
I could cook the hard and make the shit look easy. I could really make it snow, man, young Jeezy. I could lay you flat for the bread like paninis. Kiss got some shells for you, I ain't talking tortellinis. My chain looking 3D, the watch is blinded. With the plug in the mountains going horseback riding. Last nigga tried it, fed him to the fishes. LOX popping out like a genie with some wishes. Run up on the locks, that's a way to die quick. Wasn't thinking with his top, so the Glock left him chestless. J to the walk, kill him with the chef's kiss. On my worst day, still iller than your best shit. Life is called daily from the box to request this. My bars be the shit like I wrote them in a septic. Smoking fat dimes, got my fiends anorexic. Pumping straight diesel, got bags of unleaded. I keep my feelings deep inside, you can't see the pain. I can help them get high, but don't need a plane. Smokers pulling up for the green like an Eagle game. My fiend ain't crippled, but he swear that he need the cane. Live a fast life, I'm in the speeder's lane. I got bass, I ain't talking when my speakers bang. My girl said I need to change, but I had to tell her, fuck that shit, bitch, I need to change. So I got them doing rails like they on the train, switching lanes in the pure cocaine stain colored range. I'm just hustling, trying to maintain, but if they want beef, it's on site like a domain.
If you want to start trading, stop fucking around, subscribe to Motion Capital Trading. They got what you need to get started and become the Terminator of trading. Take it from me and stop fucking around.
Need is cold water and a hot stove, and I could put crack in these streets like a pothole. Rain, sleet, snow, yo, the shop it is not closed. And if I hit Cali, then I'm trapping with the Vatos. It's all about balance, I'm walking on a tightrope. I ain't saying what's up when I scream why yo. A smoker said kiss, I live for the fix, so I don't give a fuck if I gotta die broke. That shit stuck with me right in my soul. Then he did a few lines like he was writing a song. I seen a crackhead lose his pipe, so he had to take out the hard white and put it right in the bong.
And I still be the one you should call. You just got to call. And I still be the one you should call. You just got to call.
That's Ftmo stream. That's our stream right here, floating in profit to end the stream. I'm gonna browse around on the platform, and yeah, we ended the stream with about $6,500 in profit. Extremely happy with the progress of the account. I'll keep you guys updated, and like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Peace.